already have a small amount of money in my account, and I lost some few funds, and now it's time to recover and double this account, make it more big. And I believe it's not going to take long for us to actually make it happen again and again. Added some few trades, and time for getting out, because we are making it. We need to actually close the profit. I thought this is an opportunity to actually go big, because I can see that the movement is still strong. So just gonna hold these ones, and then maybe if we can get maybe at least $500 plus. So we're just gonna have to wait, because the market you have to be patient, wait for your chance, wait for your for you to get the results that you desire. And so here I'm still gonna wait, and you need to have the right information about Forex. So once you have the right information about Forex, you will know when to enter or exit a trade. Simple as that. So now let's log so that we protect this account, because for me, the way I risk is I risk in a way that it's unbelievable. Like, it's a way that you can use if you want. Okay, you can use if you want, and this way it's simple, because the way that you risk only, let's say you're risking only 5, and then if you put 100, you divide by. This is the portal of Derive, and you can see now we have a real account, and this is the amount of money that we have banked so far. So we're just gonna bank the other amount of money, and if you don't believe it, let me just refresh and show you that it's real, okay? So that you can believe it. But then you know it, you don't believe it, okay? So we are going to check. These are the other funds that I've moved. So I split the accounts and made sure that at least when I split the accounts, I also trade again. So you can see now we are gonna get there. We're gonna be alright. So now you can see how my balance is crazy balance. Crazy, so much crazy. And they're still gonna hold, because for me I want at least to have at least 50 or maybe 0.0150 profit, $50. So it's important also to log profit, so that you can be able to know that when your risks are protected, and getting out is the most important part too. And it's also give you more chances, so that you can be able to trade again and again and again. And this is why I love to risk this way. I risk 5 or 6 or 10 or 20. And it also depends on your risk management. If you are willing to take that loss of maybe 5 or 20 or 100 or 2,000, it depends on you. So as long as you're going to make that back, double, triple, and more with the right information about Forex, because you will need the right information about Forex for you to survive in this industry and make it well, just like as I do. So for me, it is all the best, guys. I wish you the best, beautiful, and kind journey in this industry, because you will need it, and you actually really need it. Because in this industry, you need to have the right information about Forex in order for you to make it well and be able to do so well in your account, because it is not as simple as that. Okay? It's not simple as that. You need to know. And once you know, then you are good. And getting out is another part of risk management, and it is very important, because now you will have more chances, and you are in a better state. And now it's at least allowing you to actually have much better risk, because for me, like, growing this account is amazing. Like, I'm so calm. Like, I'm not shaking. I'm so calm because I know what I'm doing and I understand my risk. And being calm like this is super amazing. Super amazing because it shows that you will go far and you're not hesitating to actually go when you see an entry or see a trade. All right, guys, we're almost there on this account. And looking is part of it because you part of risking. It is beautiful. There we go. We're almost, actually we 500. Yeah, we've passed because if I combine all my accounts, it's time for me to actually get out in all of my accounts and go and enjoy this profit. I'm kidding. I'm not gonna enjoy this profit. You just gotta have a plan on how you have to do it because it is not simple to just take money from this side, use it this side. So you gotta protect the funds that you have and getting out, guys. And for me, really love you all, guys. And I appreciate for being with me. I know that you'll be watching this video and being amazed on how I'm doing here. This is a demo account where I practice what I'm doing. So I've been growing this account, and this is important too, so that you understand your risk exposure. That way, you will be able to gain the strength, the skill, and the knowing, which is the knowledge, to understand what you are doing and what you are capable of doing, and how you can handle your emotions. Because I've learned that you need to actually match up your account with the money that you are willing to have in the account. So for me, I've grew this account to this amount of money, not by chance. Yes, we do count chances on the market and we count chances, but I'm talking about lucky. This is not lucky. This is the skill, this is the knowledge, this is the right information about Forex, and checking up on our derived broker. Let's see how much money we have. And we go to check, and let's see, 8. Huh? Whoa. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Real account, real money, real account. And from 9, which is the money that I was left with, because I know my risk, like how